In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WP forms to WordPress pages. This is a quick and practical task, and once you know where everything is in the WordPress editor, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you want to place a contact form, inquiry form, or any other WP Forms form on your site. To get started, head into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your pages, content, and plugins. From there, open the page where you want your form to appear. You can do this by navigating to your Pages section and selecting an existing page to edit. If you already know which page needs the form, just open that page in the editor. Once the page is open, look to the upper left corner of the editor and click the plus icon, which is the block inserter. In the WordPress block editor, this is how you add new content elements to a page, including text, images, buttons, and in this case, your form. After opening the block inserter, use the search bar to type in WP Forms. When the WP Forms block appears in the results, click on it to add it to your page. This will place the form block directly into the content area right where your cursor is positioned. If placement matters, make sure your cursor is in the section where you want the form to appear before inserting the block. Next, inside the newly added WP Forms block, click the Select a Form drop-down menu. This menu will show the forms you've already created in WP Forms. From that list, choose the specific form you want to display on the page. As soon as you select it, WordPress will load the form into the block so you can preview how it will appear within the page layout. Take a moment here to make sure you picked the correct form and that it's sitting in the right location on the page. This quick check can help you avoid publishing the wrong form or placing it in an awkward spot. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish or Update. Use Publish if the page is new, or Update if you're editing an existing page. This makes your changes live so visitors can see and use the form right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a WP Forms form to a WordPress page. Once you've done it once, the process is simple and only takes a minute to repeat on any other page across your site.